Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about basics of chemistry class 2. Basics of chemistry class 2. Right now here already we discussed the cation table and anion table. So from that cation and anion table we can write a formula of inorganic chemistry, especially for suppose if I am writing Na plus 1 Na plus 1 plus if it is O2 minus 2 and O2 minus 1 and O minus 2 is there. For suppose here when it is combined with this one, it will forming as a Na2O2, Na2O2. Right now this is a NaO2, NaO2, and what is this? Na2O, Na2O. So all are the oxide, but what is this? This is the sodium peroxide, sodium peroxide. And what does this mean? Sodium superoxide, sodium superoxide. And next one is the sodium oxide, or we should say it and as a sodium monoxide. So right now, so for suppose if I am writing other formula K plus NO3 minus 1 and NO2 minus 1, NO3 minus 1 and NO3 minus 1. Right now when it is combined with, we get NKNO3. What is this? Potassium nitrate, So this is the potassium. KNO2 is the potassium nitrite, For suppose if you write other formulas, if I am writing same K plus MnO4 minus 1, MnO4 minus, and same MnO4 minus 2. Already we know from the table MnO4 minus 1 is a permanganate anion. This is the manganate anion. So that the name of the compound KMnO4 is the potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate KMnO4. But while this one is K plus and MnO4, we should write as per the crisscross formula K2MnO4. This is said to be what ma? Potassium manganate. Right now, for suppose if I am writing here Cu plus 2 cupric cation plus if I am writing SO4 minus 2, so this is said to be what? Cupric sulfate. For suppose what is this? Cupric sulfate. If I am writing here SO4 not NO3 minus 1, So what is that here? We should write CuNO3 taken twice, CuNO3. So this is cupric, this is nitrate, cupric nitrate. Let me see some more formulas. If I am writing for suppose oxalate, so if I am writing C2O4 minus 2, this is said to be oxalate. So when it is combined with Na plus monovalent anion, so what we get? For suppose if it is reacted, if it is combined with Ca plus, what we get? Right now this is what ma here, same Na plus 2. So here Na2C2O4. Name of the compound is sodium oxalate. Right now this one is CaC2O4, calcium oxalate. So this is the sodium oxalate, and this one is the calcium oxalate. For suppose if I am writing same one here CH3COO minus plus if I am writing Ba plus 2 or plus Na plus 1. So here right now, so it's a divalent one, this is the monovalent one. We should write Ba. So right now CH3COO taken twice, and what is this one? Ba, barium acetate. Right now this is what we should write here, CH3COO minus. Here we cannot write 2 here. Why? Because it's a monovalent. Both are the monovalent anions. Next, for suppose if I am writing NH4 plus ammonium cation. So this ammonium cation with OH minus. So what we will get? Next, if the same that CH3COO minus, what we get here, plus SO4 minus 2. So right now NH4 plus OH minus, it will forming as NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. For suppose what is this, CH3COO NH4, ammonium acetate. What is this ma? Here NH4 taken twice, we should write as SO4, ammonium sulfate here. Right now here NH4 plus and OH minus both are the monovalent anions. So that's why we cannot write NH, we cannot crisscross it, just NH4 OH. Next, NH4 plus CH3COO minus. It's both are the monovalent anions, so that we should write CH3COO NH4. But what has happens here? NH4 plus is a monovalent anion, SO4 minus 2 is a bivalent anion. So that 2 come this side. So NH4 taken twice, SO4 as per the crisscross formulation. For suppose next let me see other one. If I am writing Ca plus 2 and plus CO3 minus 2, both are same bivalent anions, so that's we should write CaCO3, calcium carbonate. For suppose if I am writing Ca plus 2 plus PO4 minus 3, Ca plus 2 PO4 minus 3, after crisscross formulation Ca3 PO4 taken twice, calcium phosphate. Name of the compound is calcium phosphate, calcium phosphate, like that. Let me see some more formulas. For suppose if I am writing one formula from the potassium K plus and plus, if I am writing here HCO3 minus 1, and HSO4 minus 1. So what is HCO3 minus 1? It's a bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. We should write both are same monovalent. We should write KHCO3, potassium bicarbonate. This is also same KHSO4, potassium bisulfate. For suppose if I am writing Al plus 3 and SO4 minus 2 and NO3 minus 1, what we get here? So Al plus 3, SO4 minus 2, 2 come this side, 3 come this side, we should write Al2 SO4 taken thrice, aluminum sulfate. Next Al plus 3 NO3 minus 1 means Al, so here come 1 come this side, so means Al1 only, and 3 come this side, AlNO3 taken thrice, aluminum nitrate. So these are the some formulation of the inorganic chemical. So let me see some more compounds here. If I am writing Mg plus 2 and O minus 2, so Mg plus 2 is the magnesium cation, O minus 2 is the oxide. We should write what? Here simple MgO, magnesium oxide. Right now, for suppose if I am writing Mg plus 2 and Cl minus 1, 2 come this side, 2 come chlorine side, 1 come this side. As per the crisscross formulation, we should write MgCl2, magnesium chloride. So these are the some formulation of inorganic chemistry. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇనార్గానిక్ ఫార్ములా రాయడానికి మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో చెప్పిన క్యాటయాన్స్ మరియు ఆనయాన్స్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. దాని తర్వాత క్రిస్ క్రాస్ ఫార్ములేషన్ అనే మెథడ్ ద్వారా మనం ఈ వేరియస్ ఫార్ములాస్ని ఈజీగా రాసేస్తాం అన్నట్లు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.